Hello, in this tutorial we're going to cover the installation of SQLite and using the command shell. So we're going to talk about how to download it from SQLite.org, and then we'll go into using the command shell to view the schema. The schema is the table definitions. And we'll use a SQL statement to view the contents of tables. So let's get started. Now to get SQLite, you go to SQLite.org and click on the download page. Then go down to the binaries for Windows and double click on SQLite shell for Win32. Let's open that, and you'll see the executable is called SQLite3.exe. Let's extract that to my same directory I created my database in, which is my users Randall. Unzip, and you see there it is. And now to use it, you just need to get a command shell. And I'm in my user account there, so I can just type SQLite3. And now I want to open up a database. So the database was called Structures Office SQLDB. Now if I want to see all the tables, I type schema. Don't need the semicolon on the SQLite commands. So you see we have two tables, one called metals and one called controls. The metals contains all the allowables, the Young's modulus, and the various mechanical properties of each metal and the color that it was assigned in red, green, blue. And then there's another table called controls where we track who created a material, whether or not it's locked, and the date that that material was created or edited. Now we can see how many the metals that we have in there by doing a select statement. This is standard SQL, grabbing show me all the names from the table metals. And you see that there's the three that we created. Now if I wanted to see which ones are locked, which materials are locked, I could say select and then name and be locked from controls, semicolon, and it says aluminum was not locked, metal 1 and metal 2 were locked. So all the CRUD operations, the SQL operations are there. So if you wanted to enter materials using the command line, you are absolutely free to do that. So that's it for this little introduction. And next we're going to go into how you would add a large number of materials from Excel using a script.